Okay, yeah, I told y'all, don't come in and sing happy birthday. You can sing happy birthday now. And just an FYI, the candles say happy fucking B-Day. I know. Okay, y'all ready? I'm listening. Oh, shit. Oh, screw y'all. I'll sing it to myself. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. That's it. We done singing. These damn candles done started to melt and shit. Let's get these bitches blown out. All right. Woo! Woo! Oh, this shit is spilling everywhere. I feel it. My damn shirt is wet, y'all, on the side. Okay, let's take these candles off and we're going to cut this cake. We're going to give y'all a piece. Y'all can get the hell out of my house. Because, see, you know who invited y'all over? 30-year-old me invited y'all over because 29-year-old me invited y'all over. 30-year-old me was like, no, this is a work night. No, this is a work night. No, absolutely not. But 29-year-old me was like, bruh, don't do that, man. These Kareful K members, they done been loyal. Don't do them like that, man. So I said, hell, I guess. But after we get this cake cut, yeah, I gotta get the hell on. Nothing personal, but y'all gotta get the hell on. Okay. And as you guys noticed, I did not blow the candles out. I think that's a little gross, personally, for me. All right, we got all the candle wax. Yep, got all the candle wax out of the way. As you guys see, I have two cakes. I have that cake, and I have a cheesecake. Groove, right. Yeah, got two of them. I'm 30. I do what the hell I want to. Don't ask me no questions. Got some little party plates for you guys. Oh, damn, I had y'all some party hats. What are you? I don't know. I had some party hats. Don't know what I did with them. Oh, well. Y'all will be all right. You guys will be A-okay. I'm going to cut y'all a couple pieces, then I'm going to cut me a piece, and I'm going to try each cake. And then, like I said, y'all got to go. Y'all got to get the hell out of my house. Yeah. Yeah, I got to get the hell out with it. Does anybody else do what I did as far as like blowing the candles out? Who doesn't actually blow candles out? Who just kind of like fans them off? The older I've gotten, y'all, so much stuff has changed. And this has nothing to do with 30. This was like prior to 30. I think that shit is gross. I do. Well, hold on. I think it's gross if you're going to be giving the cake to other people. But I mean, hell, if it's just you going to be eating it, who cares? But if you're sharing the cake, I think it's gross for you to blow the candles out. But that's just my opinion. Okay, so we got that one cut. Oh, damn, I don't have y'all spoons. And I ain't got the ice cream. Be back, y'all. I gotta move slow because this hat goddamn got liquid and shit in it. I want this shit to go everywhere. I got ice cream for y'all too. I'm gonna bring the party hats back when I come back. Now, hold on. No. You getting this cake. Y'all ain't getting this one. Y'all is not getting none of this one. Oh, Jesus. Look at that. Oh, Jesus. Uh-oh. Now this here is a cheesecake, baby. You hear me? Oh, Lord. Look at that thing. That's pure cheesecake right there, y'all. You hear me? Pure cheesecake with an Oreo bottom. Oh, Jesus. Gotta get the rest of that. This is my piece. So, I'm gonna need you to release this cheesecake. I need to give me a fork myself. Be back, you guys. So you guys, as you can see, I had 2 guests that decided to stop by. So I got extra party hats right there. I got some plates, got some cups. Y'all ain't gonna eat? What's wrong? Oh, okay, my bad. There you go. They got cake and ice cream. There you go, my bad. So yeah. We're gonna try both of these cakes and then we're gonna open up these gifts. And like I said, 30-year-old me, so just saying that y'all got to go to his home. Oh wow, that's good. It tastes like that when I was doing that macaroni and cheese video, part 1. Tastes like chocolate. Oh yeah. Let's try this cheesecake, y'all. I like the cheesecake more. Y'all, cheesecake with chocolate? Y'all. Oh wow, this is good. God damn, y'all. Yeah, y'all can. Yeah. Oh, I just spilled some more on myself. Oh wow. Y'all can't have none of this. It's too good to share. Back on my shirt now with. Uh-oh. Oh, let's start right there. Oh, shit. That's pretty cool. Okay. Yeah, this goddamn cheesecake. I just spilled some more on my damn shoulder. But hopefully y'all like my hat. Hopefully the hat is pretty cool. But this goddamn cheesecake. I mean, the regular cake is good, but if y'all ain't never tried cheesecake with chocolate in it, y'all don't know what y'all missing. Sure don't. This shit is amazing. We do shit like this when we 30. Okay. I think my company is a little camera shy, y'all. That's what I think. Gassy. Ugh. I guess that's done, y'all. I guess it's time to open the gifts. I'm done with this cake. I don't want no more of this shit. Definitely gonna take this hat off though, cause I can't afford for any more of this shit to spill on me. Oh damn, y'all, a lot of it spilled, y'all. I wonder is this machine washable? It's gonna have to be. Cause I done made a mess. Luckily, none of it fell on the floor, you guys. It all hit my shirt, so I guess that's one good thing about it. Yeah, I was trying to figure out what the hell am I gonna say to that. Yeah, that's what was going through my mind. Okay, we'll just sit it right now. There we go. Hopefully this is gonna be enough space for me to open my gifts. Move your cup, bro. Extra plates and shit. Like I said, if y'all want a hat, I got some. I think this thing is called a table topper, I think that's what it's called. Or a center table, some shit, I don't know. Okay. That's that, y'all. Let's open up the gifts. Let's see what the hell Kareful Keith got. Make sure nobody's name is on this anywhere, so we're not gonna do that. So we're gonna open the box. Oh, open this up under the table. You wanna know what's? Yeah, I don't even know what this is, but I know who this is from because we just had a conversation about this shit like, I don't know, a few weeks ago. Wow, okay. I don't know what this is yet. Oh, we got styrofoam everywhere on the inside. How is it that styrofoam is on the inside of a bag? That's new. Okay. Okay. So let's see what the hell this is. Get the hell out of here. Wow. Thank you so much. Look what it says, you guys. 1989, age to perfection. Because I was born in 89. Wow. Okay. This is going to be one of my new favorite mugs. Wow. Well, tumbler. Wow. I was not expecting this. I was wondering what the hell was in this box. That is what's up. So can't nobody steal this. No. No. None of y'all. Unless y'all was born in 89. But still, this is mine. This is mine. Probably shouldn't did that because I ain't watched the shit. But, oh, wow. I can't wait to call and thank the person for this. And for these. Okay, so like I said, maybe like a couple weeks ago, I was talking to a friend of mine. And I was telling her about these charging cables. Because I have like a wireless, because I have the iPhone X, so I have a wireless charging little device. I don't really know what you call it. It's not like the pad, because the pad is flat. This actually sits up, so, but it could still be considered a pad. I don't know. But what I ended up doing was one of my chargers here in the house went out. So I ended up taking my charger from out of my car, which is problematic. You want to know why? Because it's a lot of nights, you guys, that I forget to charge my phone, and then I wake up, go to work, and then the phone is dying on the way to work. Can't charge it if the charger isn't in the car. So guess what? I got a house charger again now. I know you're probably thinking, you couldn't have bought a house charger. I could have, but I mean, I just kind of didn't. I don't know. But so far, so good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for my mug and for the charger. I cannot wait for somebody to... I can't wait to be out somewhere drinking out of this shit. I don't know. You think I should drink? Yeah, I am going to drink out of it. So, that's the first set of gifts. I'm going to set my mug right here so y'all can see it. Okay. Got some smell good. Got some Prada Sport. This is not a sponsored video, but Prada, if you want to sponsor me, you know, reach out. Prada. If you guys ever smelled this, yeah, I started using this fragrance back in... This is 19 now. I want to say I very first came across this fragrance in like maybe 16, maybe 2016. I was in Belk, I think. I don't know where I was or where I came across it, but when I smelled it, I was like, boom, I gotta have that. So, got some smell good. Got some more smell good. Okay, this one is Ralph Lauren Blue. I got a sample of this. I did. This is gonna smell fucking amazing too. You guys. I would spray some on, but my homies is eating, and you know I don't want, you know, cologne to be all over their ice cream and cake. Even though the bastards ain't eating. I spent all my hard-earned money on this goddamn cake and this ice cream, and y'all fuckers ain't even eating. Okay, gonna starve to death. Don't ask for no cake later on when I go and get in the bed. 2 colognes so far. Y'all see my mug? I don't know if y'all seen it, but I can't wait to fucking use that. Okay, what is this? I don't want nobody's info to be shown. What the fuck they got this shit to seal with? Okay. Got me a t-shirt. It says vintage. Old number 30. Age, perfection, genuine, all original parts. That's true. All my parts are original. I don't know about y'all, but all mine are original. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to drink out of this cup and wear this damn shirt. Be looking forward to this in a video. Be looking forward to this shit in a video. Oh yeah, we definitely going to put this on. We definitely going to put this on. To the person that sent me this, thank you so very much. For the people that sent the cologne, thank you so very much. This mug, this motherfucking mug. Like, like, y'all do not know. Like, because it's so thoughtful, you guys. Like, wow. It's kind of bittersweet, to be honest with you, because it's kind of like, it's a very thoughtful gift, but then when I realized, like, damn, bro, you 30. Like, But anyway, I like my cup, so that's that. Hold this for me. You ain't eating shit. Don't put no cake on my damn shirt. Got a card. Not gonna show nobody's name. I should have brought some scissors. Oh, my bad. I'm not gonna read this card because that's irrelevant. I'm not gonna do that. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, oh, thank you guys so very much. Thank you guys so much. I'm not gonna show what's on the inside. I'm not gonna read what's on the inside, but I'll show you the outside. It says thank you. Oh, I will tell you this. They did say happy birthday, Keith, at the end. That is so sweet. Not gonna say who it's from. No, that's irrelevant. Got some more smell good, y'all. This is Sauvage perfume. So I got 3 smell goods, you guys. I got Prada, I got Sauvage, and I have Ralph Lauren. We gonna be smelling good walking through Memphis, y'all. I mean, I smell good anyway. Damn, what was that? All I chase is cheesecake. I'll be smelling good anyway because I use this. It's a new perfume cologne. It's called Soap and Water. Maybe you guys should. I don't know if they sell it everywhere, but they have it here in Memphis. So that's what I use on a daily basis. But this is only gonna enhance that. Thank you so much for the Sauvage. Oh damn, I got a couple more cards, y'all. Oh, bitch! Y'all, guess what? Guess what? We gonna make some waffles, y'all. We making some waffles. Y'all want me to cook breakfast for y'all? We gonna make some waffles, y'all. If I hadn't eaten already, I'll make some fucking waffles now. Y'all know what this is. I'm not really an emotional person, y'all, but I remember having a conversation with getting teary-eyed. I remember having a conversation I'm not crying. I remember having a conversation with a friend of mine, and the older people out there can probably relate to this. Back when I was a kid and I would hear people say, well, you know, don't worry about, you know, not being able to get me, you know, X, Y, and Z is the thought that counts. As a kid, you really don't understand that because, unfortunately, you kind of feel like you're supposed to get stuff, you know, but as you become an adult, that shit really sets in and it really does mean exactly what it says. It's the thought that counts because nobody in this world owes you shit. They don't. Nobody has to do anything for you. They don't. So when somebody does something out the kindness of their heart, you guys, the thought really does damn count. It does for real. Yeah. Do y'all see my mug? Whew. Okay, I got 2 more cards. These are Hallmark cards. That's what's up. It say it's my birthday. I'm allowed to. That's what's up. Thank you so much for this card. Once again, I'm not gonna read or say who it's from. Thank you so much, though. I'll show you the outside. You see it? That is what's up. This one on the outside say, hope your birthday begins perfectly. It has some picture of some pancakes. You know what? I mean, pancake mix is the same. I can use the pancake mix, you know, because now I got a waffle maker. I can make some pancake mix. I mean, because it's the same fucking thing, the same batter. It's either you going to fry it flat or put it in, oh, my bad. Or put it in, you know, a waffle maker, a waffle iron. Is it still called an iron or I'm not sure. I don't see waffle iron anywhere, just waffle maker, so yeah. We gonna cook breakfast though, y'all. If you guys want me to cook breakfast for you guys, let me know. We're gonna have waffles and that's all I got so far. Ooh, shit. Thank you. That's what's up, y'all. That's what's up. That is what's up. Got one last gift, you guys. This is a big ass box. Oh! What do you guys think it is? Probably shouldn't do that because I don't want to break it. Y'all. Listen, and you want to know how you know you getting, I'm not going to say that I'm old because I'm not old. You want to know how you getting older, you guys, when the shit that I'm getting, I truly appreciate. Like, if somebody would have got me a waffle maker, I would say, like, for 21. In my 20s, I would have been like, where's the gift? I know you didn't buy me a waffle maker. You guys, so we're going to have waffles, and I'm going to be able to use this, too. I don't know, probably put some, I got a deep fryer, you guys. Now, you guys know I got an air fryer, but I got a deep fryer now. Yeah, we finna be cooking up some shit, we is. Once again, this is one of those things, if you would have got me a deep fryer, I want to know what this bitch look like. If you would have gotten me a deep fryer, damn, I ain't got no scissors. They all over there. If you would have got me a deep fryer, like in my 20s, well, I don't know. I don't know. And I don't even know, honestly, how often I'm going to use this damn thing, but, you know, it is what it is on that. But, hey, guess what? I got one. So, I guess for breakfast, I can make waffles and, like, what do you fry? Hash browns. We can fry some hash browns. Damn, it's inside of another box. Yeah, we finna be riding this mug cooking for real. Why is it 3 handles? Oh, it's 3 baskets. Oh, okay, it's 3 different baskets. Okay. Yeah, we finna be cooking up some shit, y'all. You hear me? Cooking with Keith is finna go to a whole new level. I don't know, like I said, I don't really know what the hell we gonna deep fry, but we can fry some fries if I don't want to put them in the air fryer. Y'all see my mug? I wish I wouldn't have drunk all my drink. I mean, well, I still would have had to wash it out first, but still. Like, y'all, I really, I appreciate all my shit. I do. Don't get me wrong, I do. But just like this is a personalized cup for me, born in 1989. Wow. Okay, y'all. So, this party is over. 30-year-old me is telling y'all got to get y'all shit and y'all got to go. Because, first of all, y'all shouldn't even been invited over my house on a work night. You know? Just saying. But before you go, I got to give you a little goodie bag and send you on your way. I don't know where the hell you going. That ain't none of my business. But you just got to leave my house. That's it. That's all. So, shit. Be sure to grab your goodie bag on the way out the door. Oh, boy. Grab your goodie bag on the way out the door. And I'll see you when I see you. In the goodie bag, I'll open one open to show you what all that's in here. In the goodie bag, we have, this is what all we got. We got some coffee, some edible coffee, because I know some of you guys had to drive a far distance to get here, and it was such short notice. Y'all probably done been at work all day, and then y'all just jumped on the road, Jesus. So we got some coffee to keep y'all up for y'all to get back to wherever the hell y'all got to get to. We got some caramel apple pops. Got a blow pop. Got a mini pop. Got some blow pop bubblegum. We have a sweet pop. This is orange flavored. What flavor was this? The blow pop is, it's a watermelon. Got some sugar babies. We got another blow pop. This one is cherry. Got another blow pop. This one is berry. Now these used to be my shit. Like the cherry, berry, strawberry, cherry, berry, and strawberry. Those three. Those used to be my shit. They did. And this is called a tear jerker sour bubblegum. These, I don't remember the name of these, but it's the gum that you can make a tattoo out of. Tell me you guys remember that. I'm gonna show you what one looks like. You guys remember? It's the gum with the zebra on it, and you put water on it and press it up against your skin. You have a tattoo. So you guys gonna have 3 of those, and all the rest of this other shit. So that's that. I know some of y'all gonna probably be watching and be like, that motherfucker was not crying. No, I was not, but I can say that it was about to get to that point. Like, though, I got some really thoughtful people in my life. I do. Yeah. And like I said, when, I don't even know how long ago me and my friend had that conversation about how that saying is really true, because it truly is, you guys. And you don't really realize it until you get older. And like I said, I'm not saying that I just realized it now that I'm 30. I realized it like once I got grown. Well, I wouldn't even say grown. I would say once I got older. I would say like 20 and up. It really kind of like really set in, because it was just like, nobody owes you shit, bro. No. Nothing. Nobody owes you a damn thing. So, okay, y'all get y'all little party bags. If y'all wanted more cake, shit, I put a knife over there. The cake sitting right over there on the counter. Be sure to grab it. You can take the whole damn cake with you if you want to. Be sure to grab some cake. We out on the way out the door, and we finna wrap this up, because I'm about to clean all this shit up. This party is over. I appreciate you guys for coming, but this party is over. It's over. I'm about to go and get in the shower, and I'm going to get the hell in the bed, y'all. So I really appreciate you guys for coming to spend my 30th birthday with me. I truly appreciate my gifts for all the people that gave me gifts. I truly, truly appreciate it. And like I said, you guys couldn't give me gifts because I didn't tell any of you guys it was my birthday. So that's that. But yeah, thank you guys so very much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Like I said earlier, if it's some stuff that you guys would like to see me do on my channel, let me know. I'm approaching a year on my channel, so, well, hell, this video might post after I've hit my year. I don't know. If it posts after I hit my year, I've already hit a year. Woo! If it posts before, I haven't hit it yet. But yeah, like I said, if you guys can think of some stuff that you guys would like to see me do on the channel, let me know. Because I'm pretty sure some stuff is favored more than other stuff. And I can just kind of see that from when I used to pay close attention to like the comments and the views and stuff. Now, granted, I'm still a small channel, but still, I have noticed some videos you guys seem to gravitate to more. So just let me know. And all that good stuff. So until next Wednesday, I'll see you guys later. Peace. This is a close-up of each cake. This is my cheesecake. Just took it out of the fridge. Oh yeah. This is a close-up of the actual birthday cake. Happy birthday, Kareful Kay. Oh yeah. All right, about to get to it.